Good morning, students. How are you? So today's science lesson, we are going to start with plants, animals and their environment. Okay, please take out your science course book and open page number 92. Plants, animals and their environment. Okay, now see, on page number 92 they are telling about to understand caring for the environment. Caring for the environment. How can we care our environment? So in this, first we have to see what they have given in the text. Not caring our environment kills plants and animals and pollutes the water. The first and the main thing, if we do not care for our environment, what will happen? They will kill the plants and animals, and also the water is polluted. So we share our environment with plants and animals, so we need to take care of it. Now they have given one picture of Riyadh skyline at night. See, this is a picture on page number 92, and down there is another picture of Wadi Hanifa, which is in Riyadh only. Okay, so see the condition of Wadi Hanifa and also the picture of the skyline at night. Now see, they are telling us about, did you know that when there are more people in the world, pollution gets worse? The city of Riyadh has grown from 150,000 inhabitants, means 150,000 people were living in 1960, but now the number increased to 5 millions. So see how population is increasing. So there are lots of different types of pollutions. They are asking only to circle the 3. So there is a word bank. See, they have given different names and you have to circle the types of pollution. The first one, you can circle litter, traffic, rubbish, noise, smog. So these are 5. You can circle the 3 types of pollution. Now they are telling us about, look at the picture. This area used to be so full of rubbish, no one could enjoy it. It is about this Wadi Hanifa. Okay, so how can we stop it being spoiled again? So the main point on this page is to think about the ways how to reduce the pollution found in Wadi Hanifa, or the pollution which is due to these big buildings in Riyadh. So I have given something written on the page. See, caring for the environment. You can read with me, caring for the environment. So Riyadh is putting in 7 metro lines. So for this, a lot of construction is there in making big buildings, in making the transport facilities like this. Okay, now second point is rapid growth of the population and urbanization, means roads, lines, the what you can say, the railway lines and many more things are establishing, and for this they are cutting the trees. They are cutting the trees to urbanize the city. Now Riyadh is said to be the largest city and it is most populated, and the main pollutant in Riyadh is only you can read with me. It is no required for you to learn it. It is sulfur dioxide, and the main waste is coming from the industries which are found in Riyadh. So we are going to discuss the ways how we can reduce the pollution in wadis, in valleys. The another name for wadi is valley, valley, valley. Okay, so for these I have taken two major points to discuss. First is, in these big industries there are lot of waste which comes out from the outlet. So these waste are thrown directly into the water of the wadi. So first we have to stop industrial waste coming from these factories to throw it directly in the valley or the wadi. We have to stop this to control the pollution. Second one is treating the water which is coming from the industries, which is said to be waste water. You can read waste water. It should be disposed to some other places or through a plant which is known as bioremediation plant. If you search for the Riyadh, and you will see they have made a very nice plant for the disposal of the waste coming from the big industries, big factories, and the name of the plant is bioremediation plant. Okay, so this is, you are not going to learn it, only you have to memorize that we have to stop the waste directly throwing in the water. In the same way, let's come and talk about Muscat. See, when you go to the beaches, you will see still many people throw directly the cans of the cold drinks, the papers, the wrappers in the water of the ocean. Yes, so this is not a good practice. You have to avoid this, because there are various bins. You will, when you move through the Corniche, you will see a lot of bins are there. So you should throw the rubbish in the bins. Okay, so in your science notebook you are going to write the name of the topic, plants, animals and their environment, and then you will write caring for environment, and you will write 2 or 3 points how you can protect your environment to be free to live, means without pollution, or how to reduce the effect of pollution. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.